Hey guys, welcome to Trademark Talks with Abe. My name's Abe Leachy, and today I'm going to talk to you about what happens after you file a trademark. Now, really quick, I'm not going to go into detail about all the nuances of what can happen. I'm just going to give the high-level roadmap, so I will be going through that stuff in future videos, and if you do have questions, you can give me a call. I'll leave my info at the end. So, you filed the trademark, you're clearly very excited, obviously, it's a very exciting time in your life, and what happens next? So, and this is a common theme, you wait. You wait 3 months and then the application will get forwarded to what's called an examining attorney, which is basically just an attorney at the trademark office who's going to review the file. They review it, they'll either approve it for publication or they'll issue a non-final office action. They issue a non-final office action usually because there's something wrong with the application, not necessarily because you did anything wrong. Sometimes they just have requirements for disclaimers or they want different wording for the description of goods or services. Sometimes they find more substantive issues, likelihood of confusion, descriptiveness. Again, I'll talk about all this stuff in future videos. If you do want to respond, you get 6 months. If not, you miss your deadline, it'll become abandoned, and then that's a whole separate issue. Now, once you get approved for publication, you're going to wait about 3 to 4 weeks, and then they're going to notify you with a publication date, which is usually a month out from that. So, you get approved, 6 to 7 weeks, your mark's going to get published for opposition. At that point, your mark goes through an opposition period, which is 30 days, at which point other companies or people could technically oppose your mark if they think you're infringing on their rights. So if you have a mark that's too similar to someone else and they find out about your mark, they might choose to make life difficult for you, in which case you could try to resolve it with them, or you might be dealing with a separate mini litigation essentially in front of the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board. Now, assuming no opposition, if you file your mark as in use, you'll get registration in about 1 to 2 months. Times vary, it depends on the examiners, so don't take my word as gospel, but that's the general range that I see. If you filed it based on an intent to use, instead of the registration certificate, you're going to get what's called a notice of allowance, at which point you get 6 months to submit proof of use in commerce, which is basically showing that you're using the mark to sell your goods or services. You get 6 months to do that, but if you need more time, you can request up to 5-6 month extensions. So all in all, from notice of allowance day, you can get up to 3 years. You just got to keep current with requesting those extensions, and there are filing fees involved. So high level recap, 3 months they review. If you get approved, 6 to 7 weeks, it gets published. 30 days, nobody opposes. You're good. You just got to wait for them to issue either the registration certificate or the notice of allowance, which is usually 1 to 2 months after that. So you're looking at like a 6 to 7 month period if all goes well and you're in use. It can go longer, and it does happen plenty of times. So just be prepared to wait. I know it's a frustrating experience sometimes, but unfortunately it is what it is. And that's it. If you guys have questions, feel free to call me, 917-933-3895. And if you like this video, you think your friends will benefit from it, find it helpful, you think it's funny, I'm awkward, whatever, tag your friends, let them know about it. I'd really love to spread the word, and any feedback too. This is kind of new to me, so anything you guys think that I could do better with the videos, I welcome your comments, DM me, post, whatever. Anyway, thanks a lot. Bye.